In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a PHP upgrade in WP Engine for the year 2025. Ensuring that your website runs smoothly is crucial, especially when upgrading to a new PHP version. So let's walk through this process together to make your transition seamless and trouble-free. First, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to my.wpengine.com. Enter your credentials to log in. This dashboard is your control center for everything related to your website's hosting environment, so familiarizing yourself with it is a good start. Once logged in, look for the site environment where you intend to test the PHP upgrade. Each site hosted on WP Engine has its own environment, which you can select from the list presented in your dashboard. By choosing the correct website environment, you're specifying exactly where you want these changes to happen. Now, let's move focus to the left-hand menu and click on Utilities. This is the section of your dashboard where various tools are located, which help in managing your site's technical settings efficiently. Utilities is a vital stop when performing site maintenance tasks, such as PHP upgrades. Scroll down in this Utilities section until you reach the PHP version area. Here you'll find information about your current PHP version and the options for testing a new version. This section is very user-friendly and will guide you through the available choices. There, you should see the option to test PHP version or change PHP version. Click on it and select the new PHP version you aim to test. During this step, it's important to choose a version that's compatible with your site's theme and plugins. Confirm your selection and proceed. WP Engine will then create a temporary testing environment. This environment is designed to mimic your live site, allowing you to test changes without affecting the actual site that visitors see. This step is key in preventing disruptions while checking compatibility. Visit this newly created test site by entering the provided URL in your browser. As you browse through different pages, be vigilant for any errors or layout issues. Ensure that all functionalities are operating correctly, just as they do on your live site. Once you confirm that everything looks good and performs as expected, go back to the dashboard and select Apply to Production. This action will implement the PHP upgrade on your live site, making the new version active for your audience. However, if you encounter any compatibility issues during testing, don't worry. Simply head back to the PHP version section in the Utilities menu and revert to your previous PHP version. This feature provides a safety net, allowing you to mitigate any complications swiftly. By following these steps, you can confidently upgrade your PHP version in WP Engine, ensuring that your website remains robust and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy developing.